you stop recording me? They didn't like me. What if they had like a Match.com for dogs? Like, if dogs are like superly intelligent and could use computers, it'd be kind of creepy. It's like the collie down the street, and my dog, he's really ugly, and you know, probably wouldn't work out. I mean, they were going out, you know, they were steady, and then he caught her with this Cocker Spaniel from down the street, and he was really handsome and all, and my dog's over here, he's really ugly, you know. And so, the collie down the street ran off with this Cocker Spaniel, Mexico. And they're down there, they're all happy. My dog just, you know, sits around, he's all depressed now. All he does, he can't stop eating. He's like a round little ball of flab that just sits there on the rug. He's just too depressed to do anything but eat. It's sad. That's what happened to my dog, yeah.
Oh,